Welcome back, everyone. Today we're making Asian salmon bowls. Where's Katie, you ask? Oh, I don't know. She's right here. Alrighty. There's your intro. Alright guys, as stated in the previous video, we're taking you out east to Asia, the Asian lands, to make some Asian salmon bowls. What is an Asian salmon bowl? It is a bowl with salmon, not from Asia, but with Asian ingredients to give you a little tang, a little twist, a little pew. Right now, Katie is mincing some garlic. That's going to be one of the first things you want to do before we get to like really step by step.
Oh, that's my sourdough timer. Stop.
It's been 2 weeks she's been making sourdough. Anyway, so today, the first thing you really want to do before we dive into ingredients, before we dive into what you got to basically do is preheat that oven to 400. We've already done that, but take your oven, preheat 400, and you're almost good to go. Let's show you what you're gonna need for today's recipe. Here you go. This is our food Bible. This was given to us by Katie's mother. So we're going to tell you the step after preheating the oven. So step number 2, what you're going to want to do is cook your jasmine rice according to package. So just cook the jasmine rice according to package. Step 3 will be shown next, and I'm going to go ahead and explain what step 3 is. You're going to, in a small saucepan, melt butter over medium heat. Saute garlic and pepper flakes until garlic is golden. Add syrup, lime juice, soy sauce. Cook until bubbly. In a bowl, combine cornstarch with 1 teaspoon of water. Stir into the glaze. Let's show you what that looks like. Alright, when you see the sauce that you're making get to that kind of thicker consistency, you know you're ready to go. This is now what we're going to top on top of the salmon before we put it in the oven. So, to repeat myself, you get bigger bubbles, a little bit thicker, that's what the cornstarch is for. Gets a little bit thicker consistency. If you're using a wider pan, you'll be able to tell by stroking the sauce with your saucepan.
Your rubber spatula.
Your rubber spatula.
So here we're just going to spoon the glaze over the fish. Be careful not to touch the spoon to the fish as it is going back into the sauce. So about half goes on the fish now and half for later. So once this is done, we'll throw it into a 400-degree oven for about 12 minutes. There we go.
Alright, we just threw the fish in the oven. As you saw, Katie explained that we're going to do 12 minutes in there. Depending on your fish, everybody's oven's different. Make sure you kind of check to see that the salmon is cooked all the way before it comes out. She's putting the sauce aside right now. that we're going to put on after. Next step is we're going to take your spinach, we're going to saute it and turn this big old forest of spinach into about the size of my fist right here, because it's all going to shrivel up, and that's what we're going to use to top the rice with before we put the salmon on top. So let's show you that saute real quick. Alright, surprise, something I forgot to mention, but not really necessary. This is just a really, really easy dish. Our spinach is done sauteing, and now it's just a nice little wait. We have 30 seconds until Katie's going to be checking the salmon out of the oven. Remember, we put that nice glaze on it. That's going to have its nice little top. And now it's just putting it all together. This is for us to show you what we do when we like to eat good food. Tasty, easy food. She's the one who really kind of likes to make it look pretty. I like it to taste pretty. But
a little sneak peek. Let's see what our doneness is. We're going to test the thicker part of the fish. See if it's cooked through enough. It actually looks pretty good. What are your thoughts?
I can't tell you.
Alright.
Alright, so Katie's behind me. What she's doing is she's taking the jasmine rice that we made, placing it in said bowl. Then she's going to top that off with the sauteed spinach that we sauteed. And then she's going to take the salmon, cut little bits of it. You can either do it in little chunks or you can just put the whole fillet on there. And then you're going to sprinkle a little bit of, you're supposed to do black sesame seeds. We have white sesame seeds. A little garnish, a little garni. But that's all.
Coming up, 1 second.
Sit. Can you sit? Hey, can you sit? Now give me some paw. Yeah. Good girl. You say hi? You say hi? Okay.
Just adding the final touches.
Are you ready?
Come on, that looks pretty good.
Here you go. Alright, and that's it, folks.
It's dinner time.
Asian salmon bowls, super easy. It actually took us probably 20 to 25 minutes with prep and everything, and we were filming it. Super easy, super delicious. Hope you can enjoy it at home. We're going to watch the Mozart. Thanks for tuning in.
See you next time.
We also have no idea what we're doing. No idea what the next video is going to be. It's going to be something yummy though. Might still be Asian. Who knows? I don't know. Probably not. I don't know. But like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.